Alright y'all, it's Anthony, Shining Light Fishing. It's May 5th, 8:05, or May 6th. It's May 6th, 8:05. We're back in Tennessee. It'll be dark here in just a little while. We're gonna try to do a night video. We're looking for some flatheads, and may be too late, don't know, but we're gonna give it a try, and y'all stick around and see what happens. Just pulling on them and laying them down so far. They'll get serious here in a minute. Well, there's a lot of little bitty fish around here. They're gonna peck us to death. So now here's going. I believe this and just carrying it to the boat. They finally hooked up. I mean, he's little. Ain't no wonder we have trouble. Getting bites on everything we got. Alright, there's a little blue. Let's see what's going on out here. I believe that wind's fixing to get rough on us for a little while. Alright, y'all. Alright, y'all. Storm has passed, and we've resituated, got re-anchored, and the severe storm warnings have gone down to just occasional storm warnings. So maybe we'll be all right for the rest of the night. I don't know, we'll see. I'm not real far from the truck right here, but in the middle of a big storm, it's really almost impossible to load a pontoon. So we'll these two little 2-ounce weights on these big reels, I don't do too good with them. All right, we'll get these lines in the water and see what happens. Well, can't catch no fish, so it's sandwich time. We're gonna fix us something to eat. Usually when I start fixing food, get my hands clean and all that, I'll end up catching a fish. Right now I really don't care if I catch one or not, I'm hungry. We have the one and only mayonnaise, Duke's. There is no other kind of mayonnaise. I know some of you may not agree with that, but everybody has a right to be wrong. So, alright, we're gonna make us a sandwich. We'll let you know if we catch any fish. All right, y'all. Hooked up. Hooked up. All right. Swim into the boat. I ain't got no idea what size fish it is. Wrapped up. Okay, he's behind it. There he is. There he is. Showing out a little bit back here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Good fish. He's frisky. We need some more, but we'll take him. I'm gonna try to lift him by the leader. All right, y'all. We got him in the boat. Find my rippers. See. He wasn't hooked real good. There he is. Look at the belly. That is a nice, good, healthy, fat, probably full of eggs. We're gonna get her back and let her go do her thing. She is gone. Alright, we're gonna rebait. Maybe they fixing to take off here. We'll see. Well, you was there when it happened, so I think you ought to know. Missed it. All of that. Carried it that far. I'm gonna reel it up and check the bait, but carried it that far and didn't have the hook. Wow. All right, we'll check her out, put her back out there. See what happens. Well, the bait is still there, so no real apparent reason for that to have happened, but it did. So let's put her back in the water. Well, it looks like we have had a little activity while I was sleeping, and we'll see what we can do with it. Ain't nothing on this one. Still got bait. Alright, take a little feather on this one. There, yeah. Not too bad. Not too bad. Now, let's see here. And feels like there's one here. I was afraid it was a turtle. Ah, there he is. Alright, y'all. I think I'm gonna sleep a little while longer, then get up and put on some fresh bait. He's a swimming with it. All right, y'all. We're hooked up. Hooked up. We caught a few last night, but decided to just go to bed. Get up this morning while it was pretty. Catch a few fish and then go home. So far, that's working out. Well, I let him get tangled. I let him get tangled. Let's see what we can do here. Not a bad fish. Not bad at all. Good boy. Joe. There's another. Get him back. See if we can get this. Mess undone. Well, he got eat up. He's still messing with it. He's gonna take it. What a big fish. Wow. What a monster. Good eater. Good eater. Say, small fish is better than no fish, but I sure was hoping to get a good one. All right, y'all, pretty little fish. So we spent the night on the boat, and as you can see, we made it through the storms, and there's a few fish biting this morning. We're gonna stick around a little while. We wanted to catch some fish last night, but it got pretty rough, and we just had to endure it. And there was a fish or two got caught, but for the most part we just weathered the storm. And we got a few bites going on now. Caught a few fish this morning after daylight, and I think the gar has moved in on us, so you know, no telling what's gonna happen, but we're still alive, so we're gonna stick around and fish a while. Ben's we're here, so y'all just if you keep watching, it may get good. You never know. He's a sneaky little bugger. He is a sneaky little bugger, but we sneakied up on him. Sneaky snake. Nice blue. No monster, but good fish either way. See if we there he is. Get him unhooked. Let you see him real good. There he is. And we're gonna put him back. This is how you do it. Laid her down. We've hooked up. Another little feller. We'll take him. We'll take him. Channel cat. Good eater right there. Good eater. All right, y'all, we're gonna pull everything in, and well, we might. We're getting another fish over here. What do you think about pulling everything in and trying another spot? We'll just see. That one has been robbed. Caught a fish on that one. This one's getting a bite. Let's see what's over here. Give that a chance. It'll be hot here in a little while. We're gonna keep easing these in, and that novire's still messing around. Maybe he'll get it. This one ain't got no bait. We may be missing these bites. Let's see. Turtles are eating us up one. Alright, no bite. That's 3 of them without no bait. 1 fish, 2 more still in the water, 1 getting a bite. Can you hear the airplanes? See what this one's got. Don't believe, yeah, it's got bait on it. It's got bait. It's got thread fin though. It's the only piece of thread fin I had out. And it didn't get eat. All the gizzard shad got eat. Time and time again. Alright. Reel in this last one. We're gonna move down river just a little ways. See if this has got any bait. It's on there. They're pecking at the heads, but they're eating the body chunks, getting them off. But a lot of little fish. All our big fish have gone on the nest, on the beds, and we're full of little fish. So we're gonna move down a little ways and try it again. Oh yeah, he was easing off, easing off. Well, we got him. Nice, healthy, fat, blue cat. Old mama coming up in here to do her business. Alright, y'all. There she is. Gone. We got him. Hooked up. Let me get the clicker off. Yeah, buddy. Been a pretty good morning so far. But I'm thinking about a cheeseburger. So this here could be the last fish on this video. Had a pretty good time. Weathered the storm last night. Fish been biting all morning. We may call it quits. Yeah. Let him do a little dance. Let's see if we can get him up in here. Let's see. He's a little bit big for my hand. Maybe I can get him to be still long enough. Alright, y'all. There he is. Beautiful Tennessee River blue cat. Got a bad eye. Alright, y'all. We are gonna pack it up, roll everything in, take the top down, and go up the road here and eat us a cheeseburger. 'Cause it ain't quite that time, but by the time I get there, it will be. And just want to thank the Lord for allowing us to be able to do this, and thank y'all for watching. And we're gonna continue to make videos with this video what we're doing when we're out here, and this is what it is. And sometimes we catch fish, sometimes we don't. Sometimes we catch big fish, little fish, and no fish, but we enjoy it. We enjoy God's creation. And thank y'all for watching. If you like these videos, subscribe and share and hit all them buttons, whatever they are. We'll just keep doing it. We're gonna fish whether we film or not. So appreciate y'all. This is Anthony, Shining Light Fishing, and we're gonna eat a cheeseburger.